Tea has played an integral part in the history of the Munnar. The plantations played a huge role in attracting the people to the area. Tata Tea established a tea museum in 2005 which has photographs and machineries which chronicle the journey of tea in the area. The museum set up at the Nallathanni estate of Tata Tea ensures that the legacy of those who worked hard to ensure the tea plantations survived this long recognized publicly. One can observe the tea history and the growth of tea estates in the area. We get to watch the transitions from the rudimentary tea roller to the modern fully automated tea factory. Various stages of tea processing can be seen, which includes the making of the black tea. One can also see a sundial placed on a granite block which was made in 1913 by the Art Industrial School at Nazareth in Tamil Nadu. It has other attractions like Pelton Wheel, which used in the power generation plant in 1920s, tea roller and a rail engine wheel of the Kundale Valley Light Railway. A demonstration room for tea tasting is another attraction where on would you come across different varieties of tea. One can taste some of the most exotic varieties of tea available around the world here. It has steadily turned into a must-visit spot those who wish to delve into the soul of Munnar. If you want to catch up a detailed information, just check in at 10 a.m. or 12 a.m. where there is a video presentation in a small hall. You can get to know about the detailed history of the Munar tea plantations and how it evolved and how the Britishers took effort to develop this huge Munar plantation valleys with tea cultivation. So there is also a museum exhibit which has got a lot of ancient and historical artifacts and the photographs that describes how the era of Britishers developed this Munar tea plantation. A visit to this beautiful museum will immerse you into the history of the tea plantations and tea cultivations in Munnar and the occupations of the people that evolved since the ages. As you walk inside, you can see the exact tea manufacturing process, the rollers and the tea leaves getting crushed and how it's manufactured. It's a demo actually. You will have a briefing session where a guide will explain you about the history of the tea and its manufacturing process. And here you can see how the tea is manufactured in an automated in a machinery way. So there is also a souvenir shop and a tea purchase shop where you can purchase your tea and the fresh tea, the crushed ones. The museum is about 4 kilometers from the Munnar town, situated in Nallathanni estate, and Alua is the nearest railway station. It's about 112 kilometers. The museum is open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and it's closed on Mondays and holidays, and the entrance ticket is 100 rupees per adult. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please do share it. Thank you.